Hello and welcome to HW News. The Wall Street Journal report on Facebook's soft stance on hate speech by some of the BJP leaders has received widespread attention in India. The opposition Congress has been seeking answers from the government on the allegations, but more so, the party MPs also want to question Facebook over its alleged bias towards the BJP. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who heads the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, wants Facebook to clarify the allegations in front of the committee members. He had in fact tweeted about it. Replying to Rahul Gandhi, who tweeted the Wall Street Journal article, he said that the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology would certainly wish to hear from Facebook about these reports and what they propose to do about hate speech in India. However, BJP MP from Jharkhand, Nishikant Dubey, who is also a member of the standing committee, is blocking the move. He has approached the Lok Sabha Speaker on the matter on behalf of MPs from the BJP and its alliance partners who are part of the panel. Dubey said that the chairman of the standing committee does not have the authority to do anything without discussing the agenda with its members. He said that he has already spoken to the speaker and they will be writing to the speaker about Shashi Tharoor soon, who spoke to the media about Facebook and sought to hear its views without even taking the members into confidence. Now, earlier in the day, Dubey had tweeted that the chairman of the Standing Committee on Information and Technology does not have any authority to do so without discussing the agenda with its members. TMC MP Mahua Moitra meanwhile jumped to Tharoor's defense and said that she herself is a IT committee member. An agenda item was already agreed and bulletinized with speaker's approval at the beginning of the year. When to schedule each item and who to call is chairman's prerogative. Amazing how BJP jumps up and down at anything to do with FB's interests. Now Tharoor also responded to Mahua Moitra's tweet saying that Nishikant Dubey has brought disrepute to the standing committee and he will take the matter up. He said in a tweet that by imputing motives to his decision, Nishikant Dubey has brought the committee's work into disrepute and he will take the matter up. He also said that it is extraordinary that an MP would suggest that a matter of such great public interest should not be taken up by us. Now, as the controversy over the Facebook BJP link grows, we are trying to put things into perspective. Our managing editor, Mr. Sujit Nair, will be talking about the issue in today's episode of the editorial, so do not miss it. Coming back to Facebook, there were two hearings where US lawmakers questioned Facebook. First in 2018, this was right after the Cambridge Analytica row when Facebook was accused of not protecting data of millions of US users. US Senate questioned Mark Zuckerberg for marathon 5 hours. Zuckerberg answered questions from the Senate Commerce and Judiciary Committees on privacy, data mining, regulations and Cambridge Analytica. In 2020, very recently, there was another hearing named Tech Antitrust Hearing. Not only Zuckerberg but CEOs of tech giant companies were present, including Apple's Tim Cook, Google's Sundar Pichai and Amazon's Jeff Bezos. While Tim Cook emerged as a clear winner in the perception, Zuckerberg fumbled while answering many questions on companies' policies on various issues. Should such a hearing telecasted live be conducted in India as well? What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment box below. Meanwhile, stay tuned to HW News.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.